How to start a business with your phone. Welcome back. You're watching Aciero in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again with one of the most frequent asked questions. I keep on getting this question from people I meet in networks and people I meet conferences and gatherings, and also people send me this question on LinkedIn. I don't have money. How do I start a business when I have no money? Always saying to everyone can start a business even though they don't have money. Today I'm going to let you in a few businesses you can start with just your telephone. Just your phone, you immediately start a business. So the first business I'm going to recommend is a photography business. You can start making photos for clients with just your phone. First of all, if you have a phone, it's very, very, very powerful, because when you have a phone, you can make photos and you can even edit them on your phone, so you don't need a desktop if you're just starting. So you have these apps, like you have Lightroom in a mobile version, you have Photoshop also in a mobile version. If you know you have a phone, which I know everyone has, and you can install these programs, you can start a business immediately on your phone. Photography business. Second business I will recommend is you can start a business as an affiliate marketer. As affiliate marketer, you can start a business as an affiliate marketer. You can get links from affiliate programs, and one of the programs I know is Amazon. Even on this channel, I promote Amazon products. I get a commission from it if someone buys them. So if you're interested in that, check in the description link below and you can find some of my links I'm promoting. And the other way you can find links is going to ClickBank. ClickBank has so many links you can promote. You get commission on those, and there are also some other companies that offer affiliate programs. You have to Google them, you'll find them. That business I would recommend is become an influencer. Influencer marketing is very, very, very powerful, because if you become an influencer, brands will reach out to you and they will ask you to promote their products. So how do you start this with your phone? With just this phone, you can start an influencer marketing. You can even start it with an older version. I remember when I started making my Instagram posts and all the posts I used to make before, I used to have an iPhone 5. Not even the S, the iPhone 4, iPhone 5. When I started, I think that's two years ago, 2.5 years ago, I used to have that old version of phone. So, and now the technology in phones has really changed rapidly, and it's all in the lighting. So don't worry about which type of phone you have. As long as it has a camera, you can start a business, a very good business with it. Influencer marketing, you can start an influencer marketing. If you start social media accounts, they're all on your phones, they're all on your app, so you can start them here. With these social media platforms, you can make profiles on them using your phone, and then you start making content with just your phone. And you can use natural light if you don't have a good source of light, or you can get something like this, like a clip-on ring light, which I have. I've also used this to create so many photos and so many videos for my websites and for my clients. So something like this, yeah, you can just put it on your phone, and then you start doing whatever you want, photographing your products, photographing yourself as as the brand, whatever you want. So you can start influencer marketing or social media marketing with your phone. You can start influencer marketing with being a brand ambassador with your phone, and brands will reach out to you if you make good content and reach out to brands to promote their products. That's also a business you can start from your phone. The fourth business I would like to give you is consulting. Consulting, you don't need anything. If people can reach you via your telephone, you just have to pick up. That's it. And then answer their questions. You can start a consulting business with just your mobile phone. You don't even need a website or anything. Just tell people what you can offer them. Just tell people what services you can give them, and then they'll reach out to you on your phone. You don't need a very big investment to start a consulting business if you know how to do it. So make content with your phone, reach out to people with your phone, and then give the advice using your phone. Only thing you need is your phone. The other business you can start with your phone is becoming a virtual assistant. Someone who takes over like the communications of a business, or someone who is very busy. So you start picking up, you're not a secretary kind of, but you're an assistant, but you're virtual assistant. So you can start replying comments, like if people are sending comments on website, or you can write reviews for people's website, you can approve reviews, you can approve products, you can you can write emails to clients, you can pick up phone calls at customer service if people are calling that client, that person, because like I have a web shop and design products, and sometimes I get so many phone calls, and I'm filming and I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and then my virtual assistant, I just redirect all my calls to that person, and that person keeps on answering everything. So I don't need to do everything at the same time. You can do that, and you can also get paid by just using your mobile phone. You don't need a big investment to start this business too. The seventh business you can start, only needs a phone, is also you can start a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel, you can start filming your videos with just your phone. You can go live with your phone, you can film with your phone, you can check your analytics with your phone. The only thing you need is the YouTube Studio app and the YouTube app. Yeah, those two apps will help you with your phone. And you also maybe need iMovie, which comes inclusive with this phone. Yeah, comes inclusive with the iPhone or any other phone. Editing software that's free, most of them are free. You don't need to get expensive stuff when you're starting out. You don't need an expensive ring light, camera, and that kind of thing. Just use your phone, use natural light, do it on the low, do it on the budget, and believe me, people will watch those videos, because those videos perform well than high production videos. I don't know why. I see them and they perform really, really well. The last business I would recommend you to start, it may be a little bit on the stretch depending on what type of specialization you're going to specialize in, but you can start a digital agency with your phone. I remember when I started my digital agency, even before I built a website, I got clients. I just told a few people that I was going to start a digital agency, and if they need help, they should contact me. And 1 week later, one of the person I told contacted me, told me, oh, I have 5 practices and I need help with someone helping me with my Google ads. Yeah, believe me, you can make ads using your phone. I know sometimes we all need, you can log in once. If you don't have a computer desktop, you can go to the library, use the library computer, set up all those accounts, and you can manage all the ads using your phone. Google AdWords has apps. If you're doing Facebook ads, there are apps you can, there is a Facebook ad manager you can install on your phone. You can see all your ads. Like I'm running ads today and I'm looking at all my ads using my phone. I don't have to be behind the desktop to look at how my ads are performing. If I need to change something or go to the back end, then I log in and go to the back end, and then I can change something if it's necessary. But then if you don't have a desktop or a laptop, then you can go to the library and do that, and you don't need also a high investment to start something like that. So if you have knowledge about doing stuff like that, so those are the businesses I highly recommend to start with your telephone from today. So stop seeing obstacles, and stop complaining that you cannot start a business, and stop asking questions. How can I start a business? Well, I don't have money. So you can start a business with no money. I know it's difficult, but you have to start from somewhere, and starting from somewhere, you start with your phone. And every one of you watching this channel has a phone. So if you have a phone and it has a camera, you can start a business and you can scale that business. There is no excuse now that you can't start a business, or that you don't know how to start a business, or that you don't have money to start a business. It's all your mindset. Stop seeing obstacles. Just see yourself where you want to be, and it will come. Just take action. Don't think I want to be there and then you do nothing and sit around and you see obstacles and you just say, I don't have money, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have this. Just start with this, and if you want an accessory, you can get it in the description link below. You can start a business like that too, and then you can make money. Yeah, you have to start with something. Even though you're just getting €1 or $1, it's something. It's $1 that you have earned. Without that $1, you wouldn't have had the $1, you would have had $0. So it's zero. One is better than zero. So every single dollar you can earn, just see it as something, an additional, something good. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you can start your business today with your telephone, and I want you to just have that successful mindset and try. Don't fail. Even though you fail, and don't start saying, just because I didn't get clients in the first week, first month, I should stop my business. No, don't think like that. Don't fail. And even though you fall, people fall and get up and walk and do it again. Things don't just happen in one go. So try and keep on going. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for your support. I love you so much, and keep watching my videos, and in 1, 2, 3 more videos. See you tomorrow. Bye.